Welcome back again to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe. This moment we want to educate you on how to switch your TikTok account to a business account. When I'm saying business account, I mean professional or celebrity account. So how do I get it? How do I verify my TikTok account? First of all, if you open TikTok app, you click on your profile. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You click on profile. You cannot verify your TikTok account without switching it to professional mode or standard mode. So you click on this three icon. You click on settings and privacy. It's very simple. Just try this. You click on my account. So the first one, account information, password, switch to business account, download your data, delete or deactivate your account. If you want to delete your account, you click here. But I have posted the video already. If you want to learn how to delete your account, it's a previous video. So you click on switch to business account. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel because we teach many things about device and social media. You click on next. Then you select the category of your account, like if you are a musician or comedian or something like that. So let me put my own as a comedian or public figure. Please let me just look for education and training. Okay, remember to like the video. Okay, let me put my own professional services or personal blog. Okay, let me put my own personal blog. I click next. So put your email account. Okay, let me put my email account. Which one I will use now? Okay, let me use Samoski TV. Confirm. So you click on create now. You are all set. So remember to like this video. It is very educative and it will help you. Remember to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook at Samoski Tutorial Class. Here my account now is a celebrity account. It can be verified any moment from now depending on number of followers I have. So that's it.